Over a few months, members of some Hindu outfits have objected to the offering of namaz by Muslims in open spaces. They have been raising Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Jai Shri Ram slogans to disrupt the Friday prayers by Muslims. A right-wing group disrupting Friday namaz being held in the open asked Muslims to reconvert and pray in Hindu temples. Ancestors of a majority of Haryana Muslims belong to Hindu community, said Mahavir Bharadwaj, chairman of Sanyukt Sangharsh Samiti, a body of 32 right-wing Hindu outfits. Bharadwaj said, "We can organize a mass Ghar Wapsi in Leisure Valley here and they will be taken back in their castes and accepted with open arms." He added they will have their temples to pray and this namaz issue will end.